What is up there, guys? It's your boy Lucky and I'm back again with a new video. Okay, so there was a video that I posted on how to make your own Minecraft server for free. Okay, but then if you start up your server, okay, depending on what time server, you'll see this. Okay, it's 32 minutes too long. Disgusting! Okay, so what you want to do is simple. You want to go to the Chrome web store and search up VPN. Okay, and then just pick any VPN. Let's pick this one. Okay, add extension. Alright, let's just check it. While we wait, okay, make sure to like, subscribe, click that notification bell to get notified whenever we upload dope videos just like this one. And yeah, man, setting to Chrome now. Okay, there we go. So then what you want to do is simple. You want to press up, you want to go back to your server, right? Press that, let it load up. Okay, just okay, then you want to just press connect. You want to start connecting, go connect. Okay, then you can just start up your server, and as y'all can see, it's 4 minutes. Okay, so make sure to like, subscribe, click that notification bell to get notified whenever we upload videos. And yeah, man, see y'all in the next one. Peace.